Lamps Industries is located in Libertyville, Illinois. We've been in business here for over 50 years. Lamps Industries is a sheltered workshop. We have approximately 40 participants here that works on grounds here. When a participant first get involved in Lamps Farm, this is usually the first place they start. This is lower level skills, but most of them can do just about 85% of the work that we do get in. We do a lot of packaging and assembly work for local companies around here. Right now we're working on a Visit Lake County packet for their visitors guides. What we do is we're collating these, okay? And then we package them. So we lay 7 of the brochures out, and then we have the participants. We have one collating 4, and then we have one collating 3, and then we have a finisher that makes it look like this. And then we have our job coaches that actually, do the QC, put it in boxes, wrap it, put it on a skid for us to ship it out. Lamps Farm is very important to the community, especially for participants. Actually, when they're here and we have work for them, it gives them a sense of purpose. They feel good about what they're doing, and they know that, every piece that they do, they get paid for it. So a lot of motivation for these people are, I'm making money. So that's real good for them and for us, because it makes us feel like, we're doing our part in the community, helping these folks.